Welcome and thank you for joining us today. For those of you I don't know, I'm Scott Anderson, Senior Vice President of Kelly Connect. Kelly Connect is a technology solutions firm working with small and mid-sized businesses located across the Pacific Northwest with offices in Oregon, Washington, Montana, and Alaska. Big shout out and thank you to one of our most strategic technology partners today for joining us in Datto. With that, I will turn it over to Eric Torres, who is with Datto. Eric, thanks for joining us today. Eric will be discussing and really giving us an overview today of our business continuity line of products to protect our servers.
Thank you, Scott, and thank all of you for tuning in today. I am Eric Torres, Director of Channel Development for Datto, and before we begin today, I want to share a little bit of information about Datto. We are the world's leading provider of business continuity solutions. We partner with the experts, such as Kelly Connect, who they go in and design, build, and maintain these beautiful networks. We are simply a tool that they use to make sure that that network is always up and running. We do have offices and data centers all throughout the world, but rest assured, all of the data for you in the US is protected and stored right here in US borders. So today we're talking about unified continuity, protecting your business data no matter where it lives. Now, what people normally think backup is for is the what if scenarios. What if I experience a fire, a flood, or a natural disaster that takes out my building? But there's one aspect that we all have to prepare for. The greatest risk to your business is your people. People are the ones that do terrible things to networks. They're the ones that click on the wrong links, download the wrong software, and open up the doors to vulnerability. So how does Datto protect your business and protect it from mistakes that are often made? I'm a pictures guy. So here's a picture that my marketing department drew up for us that explains what the Datto solution is in the down and dirty nuts and bolts aspect of the technology. On the left-hand side of your screen, this is your business environment. These are your servers, your workstations, your virtual environment that you're using on a daily basis. What the Datto solution is, it's a device that we put on your network, either physical or virtual device, and this business continuity appliance is your backup appliance for the data on that network. As little as every 5 minutes, we're taking snapshot images of everything that's on your network, all the data, the operating systems, the folders, the partitions, even your desktop backgrounds. It's all saved and it's stored in as little as every 5-minute increments. Then what our solution does, it takes those backups and sends each one of those off-site to our primary data center on the East Coast, and then that data center gets replicated to the West Coast. So at any point in time, there's 4 copies of your data. The one that's live that you're working with that lives on your servers, the backup of that data that's living on our business continuity device, and then copies of that data residing in 2 separate data centers. We can protect networks of all sizes. We have the most comprehensive BCDR lineup in the world. Whether you are a 2,000 employee size, enterprise size company, or a 2-person company, we can back up that data with the same exact technology, same exact feature sets, regardless of what size your company is. The Datto continuity solution is built to minimize downtime, and we do that through instant virtualization. So what does that mean? How does instant virtualization work? Remember when I said that business continuity device was taking snapshot images every 5 or 15 minutes? Here's exactly what it does with these images. So you're working, and for whatever reason, work comes to a screeching halt. There's a natural disaster, there's an outage, there's ransomware. What we do is we go over to our business continuity device that lives on your network, and we spin up an exact same image of that server, of that workstation, and we roll back the hands of time to 5 minutes before that disaster happened. Now, the benefits of instant virtualization, it reduces downtime. That's first and foremost. We want to cut your downtime window to as small as possible, keeping you up and running. It helps with your recovery time objective and recovery point objective, which are industry terms for how much does downtime cost you. And we can spin up this network virtually from either a local device that's living on the network or from our data center. So for example, if you have a hardware failure, if you experience ransomware, we'll spin up that specific device from our continuity appliance that lives on site. If the whole building loses connection, if there is a natural disaster, we spin up the entire network from our data center. So through Kelly Connect, let us manage your technology. For your needs assessment and to take that next step, please email us at info@kellyconnect.com.